What's up, dolls, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit the little notification bell, that way you'll be notified each and every time I upload. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a tutorial using this Ruby Obsessions palette, and that is the look that I'm rocking today. So I hope you guys really enjoy it. We're going to start out with the Louise Base Pro eyeshadow base, and this is the 50 milliliter one. So I'm starting out by placing the eyeshadow base all over my lid in a tap-in motion. Then I'm taking a fluffy blending brush and blending it all out until there's a nice, smooth, even canvas. Next, I'm mixing the nude matte and burnt orange shades together and applying it to my crease as a transition color. Be sure to tap as much eyeshadow as you need on before blending to avoid patchy application. I'm taking a tapered blending brush and going into the matte red shade, applying it slightly below my transition color. Now I'm applying the Pro base to the bottom of my eyelid, and remember to look up. This will tell you how far up the base should go. I'm applying it all over the center of my lid for a more vibrant effect. Then using my fluffy blending brush, I'm blending it all out. Then using a flat shader brush, I'm going into the most vibrant red in the palette and applying it all over the base. Taking my tapered blending brush, I'm going back into the matte red and I'm blending out both sides of the vibrant red. Using the same brush, I'm going into the burgundy shade and tapping it in the outer corner for a bit of depth. Taking an angled blending brush, I'm going into the nude matte shade and applying it on my brow bone in a tap-in motion. Then I'm going back into the burnt orange shade to blend out that harsh line. Now I'm going back in with the matte red shade to touch up any of the areas that looks a bit washed out. Taking a small detail brush, I'm going into the rose gold shade and applying it to the inner corner. You can spritz the brush with water for a more vibrant effect. Take a makeup wipe and clean up the look a bit before adding wing liner and the rest of your eye makeup. This will make it look more precise. I apply wing liner, mascara, lashes, and nude liner in the waterline. I also smudge the matte red and burgundy under my lower lash line off camera. Now I'm adding mascara to my bottom lashes. Okay, dolls, so this is the final look. I am so happy with how it turned out. The nude lips and the eyeshadow with my Ruby palette. I really love this palette. I did a look on the Amethyst Obsessions palette from Valentine's Day. I don't know, I might link it below. I will be showing you a tutorial on the Blushing Nude palette with the Morphe and Lipstick Knit collection. Please remember to give it a big thumbs up. Also remember to subscribe if you're not already part of the QueenDollFacee family. And thank you so much for watching. And as always, be gorgeous, be blessed, be queens, my dolls. And until next time, hasta luego.